As this question is looking at the percentage yield, the first thing to do is to recall the equation for the percentage yield. It's the actual yield of the product divided by the theoretical yield multiplied by 100 to make it a percentage. We have to make sure that the units of the yield are the same so they can cancel out. For example, if the actual yield was in grams, then the theoretical yield would also have to be in grams. In this question, we've been given two different units of masses, tons and kilograms. So, the first thing to do is to make sure that they are in the same units. I'm going to convert them all to grams because it helps a bit later when we're going to be using moles. So, to start off with Docodane, they've given us 1.5 tons, which equates to 1.5 times 10 to the power 6 grams. And this would give you 1 mark. It says in the question that 478 kilograms of hexane is produced. And this is 478,000 grams. This is the actual yield. Now we have the actual yield, we want to work out the theoretical yield. But to do this, we have to first work out the number of moles of Docodane. And this is the mass of it in grams divided by its molar mass in grams per mole. The reaction shows us that Docodane and hexane are in a 1-to-1 mole ratio. So for every 1 mole of Docodane reacted, then 1 mole of hexane is produced. So this means that the calculated number of moles of Docodane is actually the same as the number of moles of hexane, and this would give you 1 mark. Now, to work out the theoretical mass of hexane, we multiply its theoretical number of moles by its molar mass. Finally, by using the equation of the percentage yield, we can divide the actual yield by the theoretical yield and multiply this by 100, and this gives 63.0%.